How to change music speed on Spotify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change music speed on Spotify. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for the Spotify app and look for updates. After looking for updates, go back to your home page. From your home page, open the Spotify app on your device. Now here, just to show you guys, I'm gonna open a random song. Open the song that you would like to speed up. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Now here you will see options like this. On this menu, you won't see any speed option. So go back to your home page. Now the speed up option might not be available for all the songs. However, it is available for most of the songs. As you can see on this interface, there is no speed up option. However, if I open this song, then as you can see, the speed up option is available. At the bottom left corner, there's 1x. To speed up, click on 1x. Now you can select the speed of the song. The maximum speed is 3.5. So select the speed in which you want the music to play. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.